The automotive landscape is changing and changing rapidly. New technologies coming in every day, and clearly, the idea overall for WindsorEssex, we've kind of led the automotive industry since 1904 when Henry Ford and McGregor came across and built the first plant here. In order to maintain that excellence, that superiority, that advantage, and that industry, we have to be looking to continue to diversify. And you can't open a paper or anything without seeing a headline of another car company that's made a statement that, by a certain date, all of their production is going to be electric vehicles, and that means that some of the current parts suppliers and companies and OEMs and things are going to need to change. Well, we want that change to happen here in WindsorEssex so that we maintain that status as the automotive, automation, automobility capital of Canada. And to that end, there's key producers and key industries. And as you can imagine, you're going to have electric vehicles, they're going to have batteries to run those vehicles. And so we are aggressively recruiting battery companies, engaging with them, discussions, learning the important aspects. What is it important? What are the business success drivers? And I'm happy to say that WindsorEssex really has a lot of those success drivers. We have the DNA, the labor that understands it, the manufacturing. Ontario has the raw materials that will go into it. We have the integrated supply chain with North America, through NAFTA, CUSMA. So we have a good business case, and we're fortunate. Again, I don't usually talk about these these projects until they come to fruition. It's a cardinal rule of economic development, but I can say that we are actively engaged a couple stages in with a large international battery manufacturer for vehicles. We have completed, they put out a questionnaire where there's 242 questions, plus that's the starting point, and you have to answer all those. We've done research, we've collected the data. Data's the key. Making an international investment is a very stressful decision for any board, for any corporation. So how do you reduce their stress? You reduce the risk by providing solid information that they can make a decision on. So I'm happy to say that that we're working with we're happy to say we're working with 3, believe it or not, and there's not that many out there, but we're at various stages with 3 different international battery manufacturers. So we'll keep working and we'll keep engaging, keep delivering information. Hopefully COVID subsides so that we can get some visitations in to actually do that, and we'll continue to do our best to try to land what we would believe would be a transformational industry.